Hello again. So we're on question number 2. This one was 5 points, and that's because this is a really easy one. All right, so we have a 62-year-old man. Let's call him LR. And he has an aggressive form of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. They give you his height and his weight, but that is not necessarily needed right in this equation. But they do give you the BSA, which is going to be not necessarily, which seems to stick out because later on this dosage is milligrams per meter squared. They give you the volume of distribution per kilogram and the half-life. So what do they ask for? How long will it take for the drug concentration to reach steady state? So you could have written it all out using this equation and waited and figured out, put in time as x and figured it all out, which is not difficult, but it's also not necessarily. When you get past 5 half-lives, if you've already watched the lecture, once you hit that 5th half-life, your steady state is 96% or 98%. And then when you get to the 6th half-life, you get to the point where your concentration steady state is 99 or 98%. So you're not gaining that much difference, but between your 4th and your 5th one, it's a good 10 percentage points difference. So it's definitely worth it to do that extra from the 4th to the 5th, but not to the 5th to the 6th. So as pharmacists, we usually go with the 5th as the bare minimum. You can go with the 6th just to be extra careful, but in this one we're going to do 5. So our concentration steady state is equal to 5 times T half-life. So did they give us T half-life? Yes, they did. Sorry, I still have insomniac's cough. So that's not 11 minutes, 22 minutes. So we find that the amount of time to get to concentration steady state is 110 minutes. Well, that's not good enough for us. We need to put this into hours. So we're going to divide this by 60 minutes per hour. And you'll find that that is 1.83 hours. Sorry, for those of you who like to have this all written out, what you do is you convert. I have 1 hour, 60 minutes. Oh, I'm dumb. I had it right first in my head. You guys, I just did it again. So that's the conversion, but when you're entering into your calculator, you're probably not going to do all the brackets and stuff, so you're probably just going to enter it in like that. So that's usually how I write it out. But yes, that's the way that you do it. All right, so I'm going to move on to question number 3. Just to let you guys know, I am not doing question number 4 because Tolman did that during the recitation on the 12th. So go watch the recitation on Echo if you haven't. All right,